Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. So the key here isn't something physical, but rather digital. And by that I mean through Google. So if you want to transfer contacts from one Android device to another, you're gonna need both Android devices to have your Google account signed in. So say for example you have accounts on another device that you want to transfer to this device, and you want contacts to be transferred to this device. You head over to your settings, and then you find Google. And then once you do, you scroll down until you find the settings for Google Apps and click on Google Contact Sync. Here you'll see that contacts will be synced even though you have different devices. You can be able to sync it with just making sure that your account is logged in on this device and the other device. As you can see, it has synced my contact the last 7 hours ago. If you want to sync that again, just click on that and it should start syncing in, making sure that you're connected to the internet, and it should automatically update your contacts. If you want it set automatically, you can just set this button, this switch, turn it on, just as with this one. So what backup and sync does is that it saves it to the cloud or to your Google account, so that next time that you have a new device, just sign into your Google account and it should automatically sync those contacts from your backup to your new device. That's it. That's how you can transfer contacts from Android to Android. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.